Hello, what's up? My name is Joseph Musoda and I am your host here on Inspiring Today, a channel that will inspire, inform, educate and even motivate you to discover your bright side. So we shall be talking, or we shall be continuing off with the topic that we last stopped on, which is of the truth behind success. So we said it's the major topic and it's divided into segments. Yeah, you can define success. Yes, you can define success. It has very many different definitions or directions. But here on Inspiring Today, we shall show you just some directives to make you a successful person and inspire people. Spread the message of inspiration. So if you never saw the last video, the link is in the description box. So go and watch the video. So today we are talking of another segment or another part called persistence. P-E-R-S-I-T-A-N-C-E. Persistence. Yes, the last time I checked the dictionary, that was the spelling. So persistence. Persistence is the endurance in something. Enduring in something. Keeping on doing something. Yeah, that's what we call persistence. So you have started, and as we talked lastly, I said the link is in the description box. So as we talked of starting, so starting is no longer a problem, and since you have started, we know that it will be also easy for you to persist. Yeah, persistence is one of the greatest factors that influence success. Yes, why do I say so? Because once you have started your project, which you have done hopefully, once you have started your project, you have started your business, as we said previously, there is need for you to persist. Because I tell you, here on Inspiring Today, yes, we focus on positivity, but we also focus on reality. So I tell you that persistence is so important in whatever you do, because without persistence you will not prove that you started. Actually, you will not prove the level of the burden that is in your heart for your job, because persistence is the keeping on, is the sustainability in what you do. So persistence, you need to persist in whatever you do. Persistence is so important, my brother, my sister, my mother, my father. Oh, so persistence is so important. It's so important to persist in your job, in your business, in your what? Yeah, you'll comment in the description, in the comment section. If you have a job, if you have an idea, you'll put it in the comment section. So persistence, it's so much vital, because without persistence, you can't eat the fruits of your goals. You can't, because persistence is what will prove the level of your persistence will prove the level of your gift, the outcomes. So that's why I'm saying persistence is very important. Persistent, we need to persist in whatever we do. So here on Inspiring Today, you are persisting. This is the second episode. My viewer out there, I want to thank you because you have also persisted in watching. This is the second segment of our videos. So thank you for persisting actually. And I know if you have not subscribed, you will subscribe. If you have not commented, you will comment positively, hopefully. Positively. And if you have not liked, you will like. So persist. Persisting is very important. I thank you because you will continue persisting in your business. I thank you because everything will move for you fine. On the camera we had our brother John MJ Destiny, and you can follow him on Facebook also. He has a page, John MJ, so you can follow him. And thank you for the work that you do. Thank you for following us, and I know we shall follow each other. We shall go on and become successful people, spread the message of inspiration to people, spread the good news, and spread the good news that nothing is impossible. Nothing is really impossible. Here on Inspiring Today, nothing is impossible. Thank you for viewing this, and may God bless you. See you next time.